Ready to explore Ubuntu without altering your primary system? Download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox, a free virtualization tool, available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Then, launch VirtualBox, your central hub. To create a new virtual machine, click New. A wizard will appear. Name your VM, e.g. Ubuntu VM, and in the Operating System section, choose Linux and Ubuntu 6-bit or Ubuntu 3-bit. Allocate memory to your Ubuntu VM, determining how much RAM it uses. Use the slider, keeping your host system responsive. Now, configure the virtual hard disk. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now, which creates a file for your Ubuntu storage. Then, select VDI VirtualBox disk image as the hard disk file type. Choose how the virtual hard disk will grow dynamically. Save space or fix better performance. Pick your preferred option. Set the hard disk size and location, and click Create. Your VM is ready. Select it and click Start. Select your Ubuntu ISO file. Download it from the Ubuntu website. When prompted, and start installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to wrap it up. Ubuntu is running in your VirtualBox VM, isolated from your main system. Experiment, test, and learn in this secure environment.